Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick, back again with a quick iOS tip that might just save your day. Lately, I've been getting a bunch of messages about Apple ID passcode problems. Some of you got locked out of your Apple ID completely, and others ran into that lock to owner screen after a reset or downgrade. Kinda scary, but here's the simple but useful strategy. We change the Apple ID passcode, then log back into the account. Apart from the normal change password option in sign-in security, the first place we will go is iforgot.apple.com. This is Apple's official site for resetting your password, unlocking your account, or starting recovery. You can use it on your iPhone, iPad, or even a browser. Just type in your Apple ID, confirm with your device passcode, and you'll get options to change your password. If you can't do that, you can use a computer and go to this website to verify with a code sent to your trusted phone number or email, and then change your passcode. Super simple. Okay, here's a real update tip that not many people know. You can add a recovery key or a recovery contact and sign in security under Settings. If you enable these features, they can be super helpful when your passcode slips your mind. So yeah, don't panic. Try these steps first and remember to keep your recovery info up to date so you won't get locked out in future. If this helps, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.